Hello everyone, my name is Victor from Yaweh Machinery. Today I would like to introduce a very cost-effective model, Yaweh 94245 backhoe loader. It equips Yunei engine. The motor power is 76 kilowatt. The length of the machine is 6.9 meter, width 2 meter, height 2.8 meters, and the weight of the machine is 6.5 tons. The width of loader bucket is 2 meter and the capacity of loader bucket is 1 cubic meter. Maximum unloading height 3.5 meters. Maximum unloading distance 0.9 meters. Maximum lifting height 4.7 meters. Can aid telescopic aim. The maximum unloading height can be up to 4.2 meters. You can add the quick change device, quick replacement of a treatment, a total of more than 20 kinds of treatment you can choose according to your needs. The capacity of excavator bucket is 0.2 cubic meter. Maximum digging depth is 3 meters. The maximum unloading height is 4.1 meters. The maximum digging radius is 4.8 meters. With a turntable, can be rotated 360 degrees. The working angle is 270 degrees. With side shift function, can vary increase our dagger range. The biggest advantage of the cab is two-way driving. Both sides can be opened. Both sides have a straining wire. It can be double pump air brakes, 4-wheel independent disc brakes. Very good brake system. Welcome to our factory. We are looking forward to working with you together.